downtown, local 1 train. Approaching the station, please stand away from the platform edge. Riz uptown, local 1 train to Rector Street. Approaching the station, please stand away from the platform edge.
This is a Manhattan-bound 1 train. The next stop is Chambers Street.
Uptown 1 local train, the next stop is Financial District. Please stand clear of the doors. The doors are now closing.
Riz downtown, express 2 train. Approaching the station, please stand away from the platform edge.
Please step aside and let the customers off the train first.
Riz uptown, express 2 train to Rector Street. Approaching the station, please stand away from the
This is a
platform
Manhattan-bound 2 train. The next and last stop is a Manhattan-bound 2 train.
Riz express 2 train to Rector Street. 2 minutes away.